thank you so much for being a part of the show. आप यहाँ आए, कुछ बताइए अपने बारे में, अपने प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में, क्या क्या हो रहा है सर इस शो में?
My name is Vineet Katyal. I'm basically marketing head at SLS Printing and Packaging Private Limited. So we are basically distributors for majority of paper mills across India.
Okay.
Also, we have a packaging unit. So this is gonna be a main USP for our company, and this is gonna be a main, you can say, a costing factor, which can actually help to reduce the cost of packaging people. And we are based out in Kundli, Delhi NCR.
Well, I think that is the need of the hour. People need to save a lot of money because the industry has gone and taken a hit in the past couple of years. What do you think, how it's growing post-pandemic?
Post-pandemic, we have changed our philosophies basically. First of all, we do educate our customers, our clients, which a normal printer won't do.
Okay.
Right. We educate them how to use the GSM, what kind of packaging they should have it. So automatically they're going to save the costs.
Well, I think that is a very commendable work that you're doing because it is very important that a consumer is well educated to make the most out of the benefits he's getting. So I kudos for that, sir. Today we are looking at automation coming into packaging. How do you think it's affecting the industry?
See, first of all, it's going to increase the employment also. Secondly, being into food standard segments basically, we are using fully automatic machines. So, being a hygiene factor, so there has to be no physical hand involved while pasting the box in and all these things. It is all complete automatic lines. And automatic lines will also increase your productivity also. So this is the main thing.
Well, sir, I want to ask you, how do you think what are your suggestions to now take the industry globally?
See, globally, I'll give you a very simple example. One of our esteemed clients, they were actually buying duplex board boxes and their specifications were 300 GSM.
Okay.
We suggested them 250 FBB.
Okay.
FBB is as per FSSAI, food standard norms.
Right.
So 250 GSM strength is more than 320 GSM.
Oh.
So that's the main thing. Again, I'm coming to the education point. So we do educate our clients on a regular basis. And definitely globally by automation, like we are serving Pizza Hut, we are serving KFC. So I'm basically dispatching to Bengaluru, I'm dispatching to Hyderabad from Delhi NCR. So freight or transportation cost hardly matters. The only thing is the GSM, and only thing is how do we educate our clients.
Correct. Well, I'm glad somebody is doing a great job because that's what is going to bring the industry more closer and make it more successful in the future. So I'm glad you're doing it, sir. Now let's talk about the show. What are your thoughts on this expo, World Mithai Namkeen Expo 2021?
World Mithai Namkeen for exhibitions, I have asked Mr. Feroz Bhai that please book me till eternity. Please book my biggest stall, the biggest stall which he can offer me.
Okay.
Till eternity. That's what I can say to you.
Well, that's very positive. I'm thankful that you're having a great experience. We'll keep on working hard to make sure your experiences in the future betters and we're able to bring you more and more customers so that they get benefited with the services that you're providing. Thank you so much for being here.
And one last thing I would say, 15th, 16th, 17th, till now, I have got the purchase orders for 4 CRs.
Wow.
In this event.
Well, I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I hope you maybe get more.
Thank you.
Great show. Great show. Thank you.